practice for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour. Think about the music in terms of sections and what you want to accomplish in that section, and then you won't worry so much about making sure you get enough minutes in.
If you need to practice 30 minutes for a day and you have two short pieces, in the first 5 minutes, I think you can just warm up, then spend 10 minutes on each piece just to work on the details. Then the last 5 minutes, you can just run through the two pieces.
Taking breaks in the middle of practice is actually really important. Some days you can concentrate for a long time, and on some days you just cannot. So just make sure those breaks don't turn into, really, really long breaks.